Specialised supported housing investment opportunity for SSAS pension fund holders. This is an asset-backed and long-term income prospect and provides safe and secure investment returns. About me, Alan Edwards, I'm the founder of Alpus Group, and I've got a lot of experience in property construction and project management over many decades. I've held senior roles in Railtrack, Arup, AECOM, and major infrastructure projects, as well as mixed-use developments and all sorts of developments throughout the UK and internationally. I founded Alpus Group to deliver asset-backed structured investments. My background is in construction management, and I've developed into project management over many years. I wrote a book about my experience in project delivery, which is called Project Deliverance, the 20 key factors for success or failure of a project. Why pension holders look beyond traditional investments. The investment challenge. Many SSAS pension holders and trustees are increasingly questioning whether traditional investment vehicles still serve their long-term interests. Rising inflation continues to erode the real value of fixed income returns, while persistent stock market volatility creates uncertainty and unpredictability in portfolio performance. For pension trustees with fiduciary responsibility, the need to preserve capital while generating reliable long-term income has never been more pressing. Asset-backed investments offering flat inflation-linked returns and downside protection are attracting growing attention as a credible alternative. So the key concerns are inflation eroding fixed income returns, stock market volatility and unpredictability, need for diversification beyond stocks and bonds, and capital preservation and drawback protection, downside protection. The SSH sector opportunity provides for growing local authority demand, a rising need for SSH units backed by councils nationwide, a stable inflation-linked income, long-term full repairing and insuring leases with up to 4% per annum indexation. And these are asset-backed social impact assets, tangible property security with measurable community benefits. Our structured approach. We take unused or underused properties and we convert them into high quality residential property. In this case, we're using it for C3 class, user class 3 C3B, which is suitable for specialised supported housing. We're using our experience and expertise to develop the right sites in the right areas to suit the demand for specialised supported housing. We've got verified local authority demand with long-term leases and rigorous risk management. So I use my background in construction management and project management to assess each project and risk assess each project before we actually undertake a commitment to acquire the property. Our core investment proposition is that we offer SSAS pension holders two structured pathways to access specialised supported housing investments. We look at long-term as well as short-term investment opportunities, and these can be up to any level, usually no more than £500,000, and usually starting around about £100,000. So there are opportunities across a wide range of sites. We've got sites from the southwest in Cornwall, 2 sites there, through Wiltshire, into the Midlands, and also in the north and northeast. So we've got a project in Grimsby, another one in Yorkshire, prospects in other parts of England as well as in Wales. So all over the country, this opportunity applies. We've got a flagship project called Belmont House at Love Lane in Bodmin in Cornwall, which is a specialised supported housing project underwritten by the local authority. They've issued a letter of support for this development, which will be a gross development value of approximately 3.5 million once it's completed, and it's just going into a pre-planning application, has been submitted last week. The configuration of this particular project comprises 8 one-bedroom self-contained flats and 5 one-bedroom bungalows, purpose-designed to suit the registered care provider and the local authority requirements. Tenancy is secured by the registered care provider under a 15-year full repairing and insuring lease, and we ensure that the property is converted from its closed down nursing home status at the moment as 12,000 square foot property into high quality residential suitable for vulnerable and disabled people as long-term housing. The income and lease structure at Belmont House is its projected rent of £220,000 per annum. That's based on £330 per unit per week. The tenants are provided by the registered care provider, and the void risk is not with us as developers, it's with the leaseholder, who holds a full repairing and insuring lease for 15 years with a further option to extend for 5 years after that. Indexation on the rental amount of £330 per unit per week is up to 4% per annum, inflation linked. Why Belmont House matters: the investment significance of Belmont House. Demand is already verified by the local authority. They have need for this type of accommodation. The long-term full repairing and insuring lease structure ensures stable inflation-linked income for the developer, and it provides long-term accommodation for the residents who are identified by the local authority and the registered care provider. So it's a stable model and a sustainable model, and there are 3 key parties working together. It's the local authority, the registered care provider, and the developer. So we as Alpus Group, in conjunction with Lime Developments Limited, are putting together a program of 36 specialised supported housing sites over 3 years. So that's an average of between 6 and 10 units. So that's more than 300 units to be developed over a 3-year period, approximately 6 to 10 units per site, so an average of, say, 8. And this is aligned to the verified local authority demand in different sites across the country. And we've got specialist expertise in Alpus Group, and we've formed a joint venture with Lime Land and Property to undertake this very specialised programme of work. How we protect capital. Every investment within Alpus Group programme is structured around robust downside protection. So conditional purchase agreements ensure capital is never committed until demand is verified. All projects are underpinned by confirmed local authority housing need, eliminating speculative risk. There's no speculation in this. This is all verified by local authority and registered care provider demand in a particular area, and the developments are produced to the designs and specifications approved by the registered care provider. These are asset-backed investments, and they provide a long-term income underwritten by the Department of Work and Pensions, and these are local authority obligations under the Care Act of 2014. So the key safeguards is it's a conditional purchase, conditional on getting planning approval, verified local authority demand, pre-agreed long-term full repairing and insuring leases, and asset-backed capital preservation. The Alpus framework is a structured delivery method that we've adopted and which we use on all our sites. The A stands for acquisition, and we can acquire properties in a number of different ways, and we risk assess them before we acquire them. But we may purchase them outright, we may acquire them under joint venture, we may acquire them under a lease option or an exchange and delayed completion. So there are numerous ways that would be appropriate to different projects. L is for leveraging of our expertise. We've got more than 100 years of experience within our senior team, and we apply that expertise to the design, the management, the cash flow, and also the care coordination with registered care providers and the specialised supported housing commissioners. Each stage is design, so P is for project design, and once we got the planning approval and the building control approval, then the U stands for the upgrade of value. So a U is undertaking the project design and fulfilling the interpretation of the design on site. And S is for safe, secure investment returns. So after having got the designs approved by the local authority, planning department, and the building control department, and the registered care provider, of course, we undertake the delivery. We give safe, secure investment returns under a structured investment delivery. We transform property value. We take underused or undervalued assets, and we convert them into high value residential property. We combine capital allocation as one resource together with physical resources of contractors and subcontractors, designers, and we manage the delivery into income producing assets. And in this case, it's specialised supported housing, which is a long-term investment prospect. The key benefits for SSAS pension investors: specialised supported housing offers SSAS pension holders a compelling combination of stable income, capital security, and long-term returns on current day investments. It's an absolutely safe, secure way of investing in appreciating assets that are revenue generating. The core advantages are its inflation linked income streams, its asset backed capital preservation, there is diversification beyond stocks and bonds, and it's socially impactful through supported housing. So the next steps, if you would like to get involved, is to contact Alpus Group for a free consultation and more detailed information. You can choose your pathway, long or short-term investments, and you can begin your journey about receiving great returns from this investment opportunity. You can reach out to me, that's Alan Edwards at Alpus Group. I'm the CEO and founder of Alpus Group, and my telephone number is 07539 141257, or you can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. So thank you for your time and attention in watching and listening to this video. Don't forget to like it if you like the contents, or comment on the video in the comments box below the video. Reach out to us for a free consultation about the opportunities that are available to invest in specialised supported housing. And my contact details again, my telephone number 07539 141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com.